So we've removed the engine from the car, and as you can see, it's in a bit of a mess. But the car, you can tell the car definitely hasn't had much use over the years. The only issue obviously with it is due to it not being used but previously run, it has seized, so the flywheel's stuck. But the carburetor does move, which is quite good because that's another common spot for seizing up. And as you can see, that's still moving pretty freely. So we're just going to try and unseize the engine and hopefully get it running again. So just removing the glow plug. To do this, we usually use a bit of WD-40 and put it straight inside the top of the engine where the glow plug goes, and just let it soak for a bit. And then once it's soaked for a bit, we'll try and turn the flywheel with some pliers. So it's been sat for a little while with the WD-40 inside it. I'm just going to try and free it off. So we've put a rag around the flywheel so we don't damage the flywheel. Go. Yeah. Right. So that's released the engine. As you can see, it's moving up and down quite freely now. So that should be good to run again now. Obviously, as the car hasn't been used much, it won't really require a full strip down like some other builds. You can usually tell by the sound. That sounds full. I guarantee this starts with no issues.
It's been a while.
It was running there, wasn't it?
No.